Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is Keralam. Recently, the Kerala Legislative Assembly has passed a resolution proposing a constitutional amendment to change the name of the state from Kerala to Keralam. The resolution calls for invoking Article 3 of the Indian Constitution to amend the first schedule to effectuate this change. The state's name in Malayalam is Keralam, whereas Kerala is an English adaptation. The name has ancient roots, with its earliest mention in Emperor Ashok's Rock Edict II from 257 BCE, where it appears as Kerala Putra. Kerala Putra, literally meaning son of Kerala in Sanskrit, refers to the Chera dynasty. The demand for a united Malayalam-speaking state started gaining momentum in the 1920s. After independence on 1st July 1949, the two Malayalam-speaking princely states were integrated to form the state of Travancore-Cochin. The state of Kerala was finally created on 1st November 1956 after the State Reorganization Commission's recommendation. Now let's discuss about Article 3. Article 3 of the Indian Constitution grants the Parliament the power to form new states, alter the boundaries or names of existing states, or merge two or more states. This article is crucial as it impacts the territorial integrity and federal structure of India. A bill for this can be introduced in the Parliament only with the prior recommendation of the President. The President has to refer the same to the state legislature for expressing its views within a specified period. Now is the time for practice question. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution must be amended to alter the name of a state? First schedule, fourth schedule, eighth schedule, or ninth schedule? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.